No.
That's like, I can't believe.
The grossest thing I've ever done was a burping video.
For somebody or like for the?
For someone.
Oh wow. That's how much did they pay you? Can you tell me that? Can you not say that?
I probably made like 50K total of the video.
How much? How much?
Huh?
How much? How much?
For one video? For that one video?
What did you
They
say?
gave you that much money?
What did you say?
No, I gave it to a bunch of people.
How much?
You made a video, you distributed it, and they all paid you for it.
How much?
She said 50 G's.
50?
She said 50 G's. That's what she said.
50,000 for a burping video.
It was a very elaborate burping video.
How?
I just drank a lot of soda and burped for like 2 minutes.
And then like there are people, and then you sent it to individuals, and they sent you money.
Yeah.
Okay.
I'm done here.
Is there like a request system?
Yep.
And then you just